Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use auto hold on VW Golf. Start by bringing the car to a full stop, then press the auto hold button to engage the system while keeping the brake applied. Release the brake pedal only after the indicator light confirms auto hold is active. Use the brake or accelerator to disengage when you want to move, and always check the parking brake for long stops. When you want to use auto hold, come to a full stop and keep your foot on the brake while you press the auto hold switch. Look for the green indicator to confirm engagement, then gently release the brake pedal and let the system hold the car. To move, press the accelerator or the brake pedal firmly to disengage. Practice this in a quiet parking area until it feels natural and predictable. Auto hold is convenient, but treat it as an aid, not a replacement for safe driving habits. Keep your seatbelt fastened and be ready to use the parking brake for extended stops or steep inclines. If you notice unusual noises, fault lights, or inconsistent behavior, pull over safely and restart the vehicle to test again. When in doubt, consult your owner manual or visit a Volkswagen service center for a professional check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.